Hi everyone! Today I'm sharing a versatile hairstyle that's perfect for weddings, parties, or formal dinners. The best part? It's super quick to transform. Let's start it. First, curl your entire head with a curling iron to create a base. We're starting with curls because our first look needs that texture and volume. Take a section of hair from both sides. If it's not enough, feel free to grab some more. Next, start twisting the sections. Repeat the same on the other side and clip it temporarily. Then, secure both sides together with an elastic band. Now, you have the basic shape of a half-up, half-down look. Gently tug and loosen the hair to create a more natural, effortless vibe. Add your favorite hair accessory, and the first look is complete. This style is perfect for daily wear or pairing with a dress. Now, let's transition into our second look. If it feels a bit loose, feel free to add a few more bobby pins for extra hold. On the left side, take a section of hair, split it into two, and do a two-strand twist. Pin it just slightly to the right of the center. Repeat the same on the other side. Then pancake pull apart the twists and secure them. The second half up style is done. This look is a bit more formal, making it ideal for evening galas or formal gowns. Our final look is surprisingly simple. Take the remaining hair, do a 2-strand twist, and tie the ends with an elastic. Then, tuck it inward, roll it up. Focus on the bun's shape. Smooth and rounded is key to a good up. Sure, it's smooth and rounded is the key to a successful up. Be sure to use enough pins to keep everything secure. And there you have Eton Elegant Textured Low Up, perfect for evening events or even a bridal look. That's all for today's tutorial.